Hello guys. So in the first video we saw about what exactly the stellar aberration is about. Now today we'll understand that how did Doppler interpreted the process. Okay. So historical first point was covered with James Bradley. Now the second point is covering with Doppler. So Doppler saw the work done by James Bradley. He was very much fascinated about astronomy. So that is why he deep dived into the work. And the first question which came into his mind was, how can the Earth's relative motion have an influence on colors of stars? Okay. So he started studying about binary stars and finally came into a conclusion that relative motion of Earth which is happening, it is large enough to cause the influence of colors of stars. Okay, that is relative motion, Earth की जो गति है उसका इफेक्ट इतना ज़्यादा है that it can influence the colors of stars. Okay, now this theory proposed by Doppler was opposed by most of the physicists. Most of the physicists were opposing this theory, but one of the physicists, that is ballot, he studied the complete story and finally experimentally verified that yes, this is validating for sound energy. But main question arises is that this effect was still not able to validate for light because there were no means, experimentally there were no devices, or you can say any kind of technology to prove that yes, this theory is validating for light. So since again it was a question and there were many controversies, but another scientist, that is Fizeau, you can say one of the great mathematician, he worked on light. He was working on light and light's equations and all, and unknowingly he postulated some of the theory which was resonating with the Doppler's effect, which was proposed by Doppler's theory. So that is how Doppler effect validated for light energy as well. Okay, now this effect came into picture with the help of contribution of Fizeau. So that is why Doppler effect is also known as Doppler Fizeau effect, right? So this is about the history of Doppler effect.